This question is from Julie, who says, does a property need body corporate permission to get a private property sign erected on our front fence? So I'm not sure from that question if Julie's talking about a private property sign for the whole complex. If that was the case, so maybe a private property sign on the driveway entrance to an apartment complex, that would be installed on the common property and would be a body corporate decision, generally just a committee decision, because it wouldn't be very expensive to put that on. If Julie's talking about adding a private property sign to her own lot, so maybe Julie's in a property that faces directly onto the street, so a townhouse or an apartment, and maybe it's got a gate in it, which is a pretty typical way of laying these places out, then that would become a cost for Julie to bear personally if it's for her own lot's benefit. But if it's installed on the outside of her lot or on the common property, then it would change the appearance of her lot and would need to be approved by the body corporate committee. So the body corporate committee can decide to install signage on the common property areas, or it can give approval to owners to install their own signage. If that's the case, and Julie's unit is, might be special because it might be at the front, Julie might be the only person wanting that sign. But if there's a few different, townhouses or units facing the street, the body corporate may approve to install signage on all of them as a body corporate decision, or it might set a standard and provide, 4 matching signs to those 4 owners to prevent Julie from putting a sign and then her next door neighbour from putting one that looks different. So just for the aesthetic sort of uniformity of the complex, definitely worthwhile having a discussion at a body corporate level. And often this type of improvement, sounds like a good idea, and one person may do it and then everybody else sort of wants to copycat. So thinking about that in advance and buying a couple of signs that all match from the same supplier is often a good idea too.